everyone, and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the Mac Daddy / Artist Couture Homechella Artist Pass box. That is right, you guys. I got this in the mail literally a few minutes ago and I really want to open it. It is super duper heavy, so I'm super excited to see what is in this box. Now, for this box from Mac Daddy, aka Artist Couture. If you do not know, Artist Couture is a really great makeup brand. I use a lot of his products. This is like the Illuminati shade that I use in my inner corners all the time. This is a Diamond Lights Finisher in Nebula. I love these. Really, these two things are what I use the most. I have used a couple of his actual palettes, and it is run by Mac Daddy, aka Angel. I'll have a picture put up right here. And last year he did like this homechella box, like bundles and stuff. So since, you know, the situation that we're in right now, we can't actually go to Coachella. I've never ever actually been to Coachella, and I probably wouldn't go to Coachella, but I know a lot of people love it, and he did like this homechella kind of thing. So there were 3 different versions of boxes. There was like the general admission, the VIP, and then this big boy right here, the Artist Pass. Now, the cool thing about this is that I bought it completely blind. I have no idea what's in this. The way I was able to do that is I had my mom buy it for me. And she said yes. I told her to not let me know what was in this box, just add it to cart and purchase it. I have no idea what's in here. Now, for the reason that I know that there's 3 different tiers is because I did look on the website only up until tier 2. So I do know what's in like the tier 1 and tier 2. So they have like the general admission that was $45 right there, and then the Homechella VIP, which was right there, which is $60, and I'm not going to scroll down anymore because I don't want to spoil myself. But my mom did tell me that the price actually came out to $182, which is a lot. So I'm assuming there's going to be a lot of really good stuff in here, probably some palettes, hopefully a couple of more of these. I'm super excited about that. I don't know, it's actually really heavy, so I don't know if the big box has everything that the 2 smaller boxes have, but they have more stuff in here, so I don't know. The tape is still here, so we're gonna go ahead and cut this open. Ooh. Okay, so opening this up here, here's what it has on the front. The first thing is this cool little lanyard. It's got Angel's face on it, very nice. Oh my god. Okay, wait, I'm so confused. Okay, so I've got obviously Artist Couture stuff here, but like there's other stuff in here that's not Artist Couture. Like, look at this. I don't actually, there it is. You see that? The one thing you probably saw were these. I honestly have no idea why these are in here. Oh my god. Okay, wait. I need to compose myself. So, okay, so apparently there was more stuff in like the Artist Pass box than there was the other 2 boxes. So it looks like I've got 2 masks from Sand and Skies. I have been wanting to try these face masks for so long. I've just never bought any because they're bloody expensive, but apparently they're really nice. I've seen a lot of people use them on Instagram and stuff, but this one is the Australian Emu Apple Mask, a super bounce mask. Wow. Okay, and this one is the Australian Pink Clay Purifying Mask. Now the thing is that I don't really know if I can use these. Like, my skin is so dry and I do have quite sensitive skin, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use any of this. I would like to, because I see these everywhere online and they look so cute. Like, I'm actually really excited about it. I'm worried that it'll be too harsh on my skin. So I'll put these over to the side. I got this from Garnier. It's the Micellar Cleansing Water. I have actually never used a micellar cleansing water before, but I've heard good things about this. Do you like put it on a cotton pad? All skin types, even sensitive skin. Yeah, it says you can put it on like a cotton pad. And cool, I will try this out. I haven't ever tried this before, but I definitely will. Next up, I've got, oh my god. So, okay, I don't know why I have this. I got another one of these. This is the L'Oreal Air Volume Mascara. I have mine right here that I've been using. I've actually really been enjoying this, but I have a spare now, so that's really cool. I'm acting so weird because I'm shocked that all this stuff is in here. I thought it was just gonna be stuff from Artist Couture, from Angel's brand, but there's like a bunch of other stuff in here. So I've got this, so that's really cool. Next up, we've got this from freaking Charlotte Tilbury. Oh wow. Oh, that's so fancy. Wow, that's so fancy. Okay, what even is this though? This is the Magic Cream. Oh my goodness. I've never used this before in my life, but I have heard so many good reviews about this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm so hyped. I'm so excited about this. I have been wanting to use the Magic Cream from Charlotte Tilbury for quite some time. I just never have because it's like $68 for a diz and you only get 1 ounce, which is crazy. But I'm excited to have it. So it must be one of those things to where like you're mostly paying for like Angel's products, like the Artist Couture, but then you get these as like a, I don't know, like a gift with purchase. I have no idea. I'm excited to have this though, like hello, that's great. We've got some giant lashes. Like these are probably the biggest lashes I've ever seen. I will probably not wear these lashes because they're freaking massive. But what I could probably do is I could like cut them like in the middle here. I could like cut them right there and I could have them on like the outer corners. That'd be kind of cool. But I would never wear a strip lash that is this thick and that's a lot. However, I bet they're really nice quality. I have no idea how to say that brand, but the lashes look good. Let's see, what else we got in here? Oh my god! Okay, now this might be the most exciting thing for me here. This is an IT Cosmetics brush. Wow, I love, okay. I have never used this one before. It is the Heavenly Skin brush. I think this is a foundation brush. I always use my Love is the foundation brush for my foundation. I'm actually not wearing foundation today, but I normally use this. I'm so excited to try this one. It feels very soft. So like maybe this would be another really great option for foundation. I don't know. But this is nice. Like I'm excited about this. This might be one of my favorite things so far. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that's all of the other stuff, like the random stuff. Now we're gonna get into the Artist Couture products, and I see a lot of really good stuff in here. Like I'm actually really excited. So, first thing I see here is, I think this is a mini size. I'm not entirely sure. It could be full size. I'm not sure, but it seems like it's the same size as this one, and this is called Gold Digger. It's the Diamond Glow Powder, and I think this is meant to be a highlight. But it looks really, really pretty and I'm excited to try it. It looks very like iridescent. If you can see that, it looks nice. Now this one right here is a mini size Diamond Lights Finisher. Here's the full size one, but here is the mini size, and this is in the shade Golden Hour. Very, very pretty. I will definitely use this next time. I just want to do like a one and done kind of shadow look because these are great for that. Oh, look at that. It's so shiny and reflective. I really like these. So this one's in the shade Gold Digger. I'm super excited. Wow. And then we have, this is the Diamond Lights Finisher in the shade Banger, and this one is a full size. I'm so excited, and this one looks so dope. It's like a green gold, again called Banger, and Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. But here's what this one looks like. This one is the golden hour, and this, is it called golden hour? Yeah. And then this one is the banger one. It is like a greeny gold color. It's freaking beautiful. So I will definitely be using this at some point. Next up, we've got, oh, lipstick. So this is the Silk Cream lipstick in the shade Daddy. I've never used a lipstick from Artist Couture. It looks nice. Here's what the packaging looks like. And then here's the lipstick, a very nice nude shade. It looks to be kind of like a very light pinky nude color. Oh yeah, definitely. That would be great. I like that color a lot. That's really pretty actually. I'm super into that. And then I've got a Plush Pout lip gloss in the shade X-Rated. This lip gloss looks very like yellow orange, and I don't know if that's gonna look good on my skin. Oh yeah, I don't think this is a fan. I don't think I'm a fan of this color per se, but here's what the gloss looks like by itself. I'm sure the formula is good. I just don't think this color suits me very well. It's way too yellow toned and orange. So this one's not for me personally, but I can give it to someone that I think would like it. And then we have got, oh, look at this one. It's a little baby. This one now is in a great color for me. This is, I think, another Plush Pout lip gloss, and it's in the shade Shameless. Yeah, I think this one would be perfect for me. Oh, for sure. Oh yeah, I love that color. That's a much better color for me. It matches the color of the lipstick pretty well too. So, and now we've got some bigger items. Oh my gosh. First thing I see here, I'm so excited. Okay, I have got this right here. It is the Caliente palette. And here's what she looks like. She's beautiful. Now, I do actually already have this palette right here. I got this in a BoxyCharm not too long ago. However, can you see the difference? This is the Artist Couture version. This is the BoxyCharm version. I love the ombre on this one so much more. I think it looks so much better. So I'm gonna be keeping this one right here, and then I might give this one to my mom or like to a friend or something. Here are the colors. Very, very pretty and very summertime. Like this is like, I could 100% imagine someone wearing this to like Coachella. It's a very summertime palette, very rave kind of vibes. So I'm definitely into that. And then the last two things we have in here are things that I have not tried yet. So the first thing is, so these both are collabs with Static John. So the first thing first is this highlight. It is called Big Glow Energy. That's really cool, like the flap. Look at that. Ever heard of it? And it's got Static John's little branding right there. Super cute. Packaging is really nice. It feels nice and luxe. It's got like a little light bulb with fire right here. Let me try this out. Hope it's not too dark for me. It's not. So that's cool. I'll try this again later on, but I'm excited to have it. And then the last thing we have in here is the Club Daddy X Artist Couture palette, which I was not able to get when it came out, so I'm so excited to have it now. I saw loads of people on Instagram like reviewing the palette and like doing looks, and everything just looked amazing. Here's what this looks like, and when you open it up, the shades look like this, and they look really, really nice. Like, I can't wait to do a look with this. This shade in the middle called Static, I think was like a fan favorite, and I can see why, because it's freaking beautiful. But yeah, no, I'm excited to have this, and I'm excited to try it out. But you guys, that was everything inside of this box. Now, the box was again $182, I think. I am gonna go ahead and do some pricing for you guys, because I have a feeling that it's gonna be pretty good. Like, I feel like you're gonna get your money's worth on here, but just to check it out. Okay, so the Club Daddy palette is $38. The Addicted to Light highlighter is $32. Diamond Lights Finisher, the full size, is 28. No, wait, is it 28 or 26? 26. The lip gloss is $18. And then the lipstick is $19. Diamond Glow Powder is $27. And I'm not gonna count the golden hour one because it is mini size. Maybe we'll do like a half. So golden hour is $25, but since it's a mini size, we'll do like $12.50. And then we have the Caliente palette right here. And I think that's everything that is like Angel's products. And that palette is $30. And then I reckon you could put in this little guy, but I'm not gonna, because this is probably like $5. I don't know. Anyways, so just from Angel's products, it does retail to, or it does come up to $202.05 or 50 cents, and that's definitely a good price. I paid $182, so the $202 is, you do get more than you pay for technically with his products. However, you do get a bunch of other stuff in here as well, so I'm gonna tally all that up too. The Sand and Sky face masks, I think, are $25 each. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put those in because I do think they're $25 each. This right here, I'm gonna look it up at Sephora because I think it's $68, but I'm not like 100% sure. Oh, it's $64. Okay, so it's $64. And then I looked up this right here. This is $5. Air Volume Mascara right here is $14. So $13.99, but let's just say $14. And then I can't find this right here anywhere, but I found it online, but I can't tell if it's the same one or, oh, it is. Okay, it's $48. Damn. Okay, so $48, and then we have these lashes, $21. Okay, is that it? I think that's it. So the total value for this box, including Angel's products and all of the other products that you got in the box, the total value is $404.50, which is actually nuts. And I paid $182, so I mean, like, you do literally get like double that, like even more than double technically. That's insane. Like, I'm actually super excited with everything that I got in this box. And with me going in blind, I was kind of worried because I didn't know if it was just going to be like, because I did know what was in like the general admission and the VIP boxes, so I could get like the pricing and stuff, but I never looked at the artist pass box. I had my mom do all of that. So I wasn't sure if it was just going to be the exact same products that were in the general admission and the VIP in here, but just then you have more stuff on top of it, or if it was going to be like totally new products. And I'm glad that it's like different stuff. So that's super cool, and I'm actually really excited about this. The part that I'm most excited about is this Diamond Lights finisher. Yeah, that's what it's called. I get it confused with the glow powder. I'm so excited about this, and I'm mostly excited about these. I love these so much. These are like my favorite thing. I'm gonna try more of this because I use the Illuminati shade in my inner corner all the time. So this one is Gold Digger again, so I'm super excited about that. And then my next favorite thing is probably, I really do love the Caliente palette. I already have it, but I like the ombre version of this. And then probably this right here and this right here are my two other favorites. Like, I am so jazzed about these two. Anyways, that's the unboxing. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you thought about this box, and did you also get this box as well, or did you get any of the other two boxes that were available? Let me know in the comments because I would love to know that. But yes, I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!